guys, after I finished live, I went to take out trash, and guess what I got? I got my Arbonne box, and I'm gonna do unboxing with you. Okay, let me see what I ordered. Let me put it out of the way so we will have the full light. So let me quickly show you. That's how it comes. It's all with the dividers and stuff. So it comes in the box with the paper, recycling. Everything is recycling. Let me see. My goodness, I was so super excited about this particular item. And sorry for the rain. So this is my invoice, and that is supposed to be the chapstick, the shea butter moisturizing balm. Let me get my glasses so I will read it. Shea butter moisturizing lip balm. And I was so looking forward to get it. So I'm gonna give one to my hubby and one to me. Let me try it on. So it has that little a notch here. So you take that one off. Alright, take this one off. And it doesn't have particular smell, but I have problems with my sinus, so I'm applying it on my lips. Oh yeah. And it has like really nice. You wouldn't eat it, but it have very nice taste to it, and it's very fatty, like very rich moisture. So yay, awesome. So I just grabbed a couple for a wonderful presentation, so I will have a tester with me and what's not. So love this. This is mine. What else? Oh my goodness, I ordered a testers. So here is RE9 Advanced Skincare. This is all testers. So, and that is Arbonne's #1 anti-aging skincare line. This is absolutely amazing. And it has a soothing facial cleanser, a regenerated toner, intensive renewal serum, and it has numbers, and it has the whole instruction sheet, so you can try it. So this is corrective eye cream, this is restorative cream, and extra moisture, and night repair cream, and they are all number 5s, so you can pick and choose which one do you want. So those are absolutely awesome. So I am so excited that I got them on time to test. So that's awesome. I could not believe it, this game. So here it is. I talked to so many people about it. I have like people lined up in the in a line for me to get this one, the hydration, and it has electrolytes and magnesium and vitamin A and C and E. This is the one that you should be drinking during while you exercising, or if you're not even exercising. This is complete hydration, so this is absolutely phenomenal. thing to have, and we talked about this one in the set. They have 3 things in the set, so this is one of the items from that keto set. So I'm extremely excited, and I have 2 because one is going as a gift to my friend who was hosting the live stream. Another great thing that came in my box today is the chewy, the Fit Chewies, and I ordered all 3 flavors, the lemon, the chocolate, and the caramel. I love caramel, period. So these guys are awesome. I mean, this is awesome. You have a candies in order for you to help to lose weight or control your appetite. So it helps to control appetite. It helps to increase energy. Designed to provide a quick pick-me-up. Adaptogenic blend to support good health, and contains no artificial colors and flavors or sweeteners, and I absolutely love. So here it is. It's 9 o'clock, and I usually on my way to my ice box to pick up me some snack, and instead of that I went and grabbed one of my caramel chewies. Done. I'm good. So, and it comes in 3 different flavors, the lemon, the chocolate, and caramel. How awesome is that? Love that. Awesome. Then another thing, if you are a snacker, these guys are awesome. These are protein snack bars. They have 10 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. They usually have different flavors, but they were out of it, so I picked up a dark chocolate and sea salt flavor. For those who's watching sodium, please be cautious because it's 55 grams per bar. It has 170 calories, so this is a meal. It's a substance for meal. And total carbohydrates 26, and it has 10 bars. So it's essential protein snack bar. So either protein shake or protein bar. This is one meal. 170. This is one meal. So either you on a go in the morning, you don't have time to cook breakfast, and you don't have time to mix yourself a protein shake, grab a protein bar. Okay, it's delivered plant-based protein and fiber with the decadent dark chocolate flavor and touch of sea salt for delicious snacking. 10 grams of plant-based protein, 4 grams of fiber, no artificial colors, flavors or sweeteners, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and oats. Only 5 grams of added sugar per bar, and we are vegan, gluten-free, recyclable, and cruelty free, and all of that good stuff. That's us. Next one. Oh, I am thrilled. I got another one of this, the one that we were talking on the live stream today. It was Mind and Health, and this is a cherry lime flavor, and I cannot wait to try it. This is awesome. This is one of those, like, you're gonna be giving to your friends constantly, like I'm doing with the fizz sticks 1, 2, and fizz sticks 3. Those are like major things. Now it's gonna be the balm and chewies. Seriously, this is crazy. This is crazy amazing. All right, so this one is a smoothing facial cleanser, and I have no idea why they put it in my box, but thank you very much. Deluxe Try Me set. Oh, that's the Try Me set. Okay, awesome. And this one is awesome. I was looking on it for a longest time, and this is shea butter hand care duo. And we're gonna open it right now. I'm so excited! I can push this stuff away. Yummies and goodies and everything. My goodness. So this is mine. Don't mess with anybody else. And this one, I'm gonna go put it in my bathroom right away, because this is such a great Mother's Day gift. This is awesome. Look how it comes. It comes in a beautiful boxes, and it comes with this absolutely amazing wooden natural wood bamboo thing, the holder. So, and then you are putting, this is your hand wash, and you putting it in here. And this is your cream, the shea butter hand lotion. How adorable is that? What a beautiful gift, huh? Isn't it awesome? So yes, I'm super excited about that one. Was looking forward. I wanted to try it for the longest time. So we have the whole line of shea, shea butter products. So that's great. And here's another shea butter hand cream. So this is the samplers. So no, they didn't mess up. So I don't know. I ordered, I guess, something else. So that's yes, here they are, the samplers. So, and because I just tried the shea lip moisturizing lip balm, and I will do this. My hands kind of a little bit and they come sealed, because I was like, why they're not coming? They come sealed, which is great. Alright, I'm gonna put this boy back. I'm gonna put it, you see how crinkly my skin is? You can probably tell. That it needs some moisture. Oh my goodness, it smells so divine. It smells absolutely amazing. So this one is the one that I'm gonna be dragging with me and putting on people's hands. Oh, it feels so smooth. And I don't know if you can tell the difference, but look how moist it is. Oh, I love. Oh, if I only can give it to you to smell. Oh my goodness, it's so divine. Oh my goodness. And I had an order from customer for the lift and contour eye cream from the RE9, and they have a new pump, the pump. So here it is. It's here. Alright, so here we are with all the goodies and awesomeness from Arbonne, and candies and granola bars and all. So, and I on Arbonne bought a difference, a year make. Yes, this is awesome. This is all our consultants, VIPs, VPs, and ENVPs. So this is like an announcement who made to the top. So because Arbonne can be your household and gifts and what's not, stuff that you use, and you can earn some money and make it your business and passion. So yes, if you are interested in any of these items that I just showed you, message me. All the links and contact information is gonna be in the description box below, and I'll talk to you later. Shea butter.